my loves, welcome back for another video. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck, and today I'm working with my quality hair to bring you something completely different, something completely brand new on my channel. Yes, we're going to be doing a headband wig. Now, I've seen these all over YouTube and I was a little bit hesitant to try, but we're going to give it a shot and hopefully you guys like it. So for starters, here is a great look at what the wig looks like. The texture is Afro Kinky, and I'm kind of giving you a full tour of what this headband wig will look like. You have your cap. It has 3 combs in the front, 1 in the back. There is no lace, there is no parting, there's literally none of that. You do have your adjustable straps in the back, and the main feature of this is the headband. So there's a large, thick, nice, and comfortable band that goes around the entire perimeter of the wig. As you guys can see, I'm playing with it here and just seeing how it's going to test up. It definitely is very durable. They even included some headbands. They gave me 2 so that I can try them out and see exactly what this is going to look like. But of course, if you have some headbands, which who doesn't, you can switch it out and use whatever you want or whatever you have at home. So we're gonna go and start from the basics. I have a wig cap on. My braids are not necessarily flat, and that is the great thing about this wig. It literally can be your throw on wig. I don't know about you guys, but in California, LA specifically, it's been over 100 degrees every day, extremely hot. So, you know, it's kind of like, who has time, energy, patience for lace? Not I. So this comes right in handy at the perfect time. As of right now, I'm using this cute little baby hair brush that I found on Amazon. Of course, I'll have it linked down below. And I'm going in and slaying my edges. Now, slaying my edges is not the same as slaying my lace. I don't have as many edges as I wish I did, but this is still progress. If you would have seen my edges around December, when my princess, my youngest baby, hit 4 months and I hit pretty much postpartum 4 months, all my edges fell out. I was literally Mr. Clean bald around my entire hairline. So I'm proud of the fact that they've come back a little bit, but having 3 kids within a matter of 5 years and going through postpartum hair loss with each one at the 4-month mark has really taken a toll on my hairline. So it's definitely not the same. So I'm going to show you a tip and trick to make it look a little bit fuller. And stay tuned and make sure you subscribe, because every time I do a video like this, I'll give you a new tip or trick on how to make your hairline look fuller. So as I'm rambling, you guys see I went ahead and made my baby hair as best I could, and this is something different and new for me. So now we're going to go ahead and plop her on. Now this is super simple and easy. I just adjusted the straps in the back so that it can kind of cuff my neck really nicely. Now I'm separating and making sure that the Velcro does not, you know, snag my hair or the wig. And then I secured it. For me, I secured it as tight as it can go. And now I'm going to do this little trick with my hairline where I'm going to add this little spray that I picked up from the store. And I thought it was going to mimic like hair, and it actually doesn't. It's like a, I don't know, it's like a black hairspray pretty much. So if you already have thick hair and you want to add this in to kind of fill in a bald spot, this will work. If you have thinner hair like I do, it's literally just going to tint to your scalp. It doesn't mimic hair. This was the first time I used this product on my real, you know, hairline opposed to like a wig. So like with the wig, if you kind of over pluck, you can kind of fill it in and finesse. But with your hairline, I don't know if I would I don't know if I would actually use this again. So let me know what you guys would use for your hairline to make it look a lot thicker. So now from here, I kind of feel like the curls are beautiful, but they're definitely a little bit too uniform to blend in with my actual real hair. And at first it felt like it really wasn't doing much. I definitely didn't want to brush the hair and manipulate it too much. I feel like the purpose of this wig is just to be a quick throw on, but I did want to give realness and give it a little bit more of a kinky and soft texture, just like, you know, natural African-American women hair. You know, it's soft, it smells good, you know, it has a little bit of a frizz to it, and the curl pattern is defined. So yeah, that's what I really wanted to do with this wig, and that's all I did, and it worked. Also, I'm showing you here, if you kind of like take each strand and kind of pull them apart. It has the beautiful definition, and this is how you can kind of get a better look as far as making it mimic your real hair and match up with your baby hair. If I did not mention, this one is 14 inches in length, 150% density, and they did give me a coupon code for you guys. It's Ashley10. You enter that at checkout and you will get money off. So I'm going to start off with the pink headband. Typically I wouldn't do a pink headband, but I actually like the contrast against my brown skin and how beautiful it is. So this one looked good. Again, this one was out of my comfort zone, this wig in general, but I'm really happy that they sent this to me and I kind of pushed myself. I'm also going to show you this wig with like a half up, half down, with the hair in my face and with the other headband as well. Okay, so I went ahead and put a little, what do you call these, like a little scrunchie on. I didn't double tie it because I really didn't want it to get knotted up because this hair is curly, but I just wanted to go ahead and try and see what that would look like, and I actually did like it for some pictures. Now be careful, I did use this product here and it does transfer, so like having something pink here wasn't a good idea. So imagine like me being out all day with this wig on with my kids. By the time I get home and they've tussled around, it probably would be super black. So in that sense, I probably would go for a darker headband, and that's the beauty of it. This company gives you two different options for headbands, and they had many more options on the website. But if you choose, you know, like if you get tired of these and you just want to switch it out, you could actually go for like a headband. You can do like your bandeaus. I know I love to get my bandeaus from like Louis Vuitton or Gucci. You can use those. You know, you can definitely just get creative. Honestly, I like it with the black. I feel like that's more my style. So you definitely want to put something on top of this because you can kind of see that. So I probably would just feel self-conscious going out with the wig just like this. But I have plenty of like black scarves that I could use. But this to me looks really good. I'm going to also try on the other one. I like this one because it's kind of like double knotted, twisted situation. It's like, you know, made into sections. And this is what this one looks like. You can even pull the wig forward like this. And if you have to, you can trim it a little bit. And I think that looks cute. It gives a natural vibe. And because the hair is going in all different directions, you don't have to worry about like a parting here or anything like that. Just a little tip. And that's pretty much it. This is the first time I've done like a wig video where I actually exposed my natural hair. You guys know I have a huge forehead. I don't try to hide it. You guys see it all the time in my hair tutorials when I have my wig cap on. But just actually like trying to style a wig with my natural hair, especially knowing that my natural hair is not permed or, you know, relaxed or anything like that, is definitely a little bit nerve-wracking, but I'm gonna say it's not that bad. I did add this just to add a little bit of darkness around the area. Now this one doesn't necessarily mimic like hair, like the what's the one that you get from Sally's that's like hair fibers? I forget the name of it. I have some here somewhere, I don't know where it's at, but I have that one too where you kind of just like shake it in like a salt shaker. The only thing about this one shows a little bit more, but you can also twist it around like to a part of the headband that has a little bit more material, and then that works out fine, because I definitely wouldn't want to show the black cap because that will get people to questioning like, what's going on there? All in all, I like this. It's definitely out of my comfort zone, and that's what I liked about it. Like, people all the time ask, like, can you do a review on a U-part wig? And I'm like, no, because my hair is not relaxed, so it's not going to match the texture of the wig. And in this case, with this new headband method, they made it work. This is so easy if you've had a long night out and you wake up overslept for work. This is something you can literally put on, and you can do your baby hair in the car literally on the way to work. You don't have to have a special braid up because the hair in the back is so full it would cover. You don't really have to style the ends of the hair. You guys seen I kind of loosened the curl pattern just a little bit with my Cantu leave-in and a little bit of water, but honestly it didn't do a whole lot. I just kind of wanted to make it a little bit more frizzy and get rid of like the perfect uniformed look. And as you guys know, this is longer than it appears. This hashtag shrinkage is real, but again, this gets me back to like my natural look and my natural vibe, and I like that. because, you know, sometimes we get away from that and we want the va va voom instead of being a little bit more natural. And I feel like this is like natural hair, but thicker, healthier, better, and easier to manage. So let me know what you guys think of this one. Again, she came from My Quality Hair. They did give wig caps. They also gave you, or they also will give you, the baby hair brush that you know, everyone loves so much. And most importantly, they did give me a coupon code for you guys. You can enter Ashley10 at checkout and you get $10 off of your purchase. So that's really cool. It's always good to save money. Let me know what you guys think of this one. Of course, I have it linked in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video. Please subscribe. It'll help me out so much. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!